Auto Fanatic coming at you with another video. It's been quite some time, everybody. I completely apologize, that's on me. It's been extremely busy season for me at work, and here I am. Got a little project for you guys. Hope you guys are all well and good. M340 is doing beautiful, and still got it on the Z4 wheels. Let's get you down low. Still got them on the Z4 wheels. I got a little wheel surprise for you guys come spring. I got them tucked away right now, but either way, I got a quick little upgrade that takes really just a few moments of your time to do, but at the same time, it's gonna flow with the car, flow with the theme. Not that anything's wrong with what I have, but we're always looking to improve in some way, shape, or form. So I'm gonna flip you guys around and show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, I'm gonna be replacing the door sills today. I picked up some M Performance ones. Let's bring these out here so you guys can see them. It's the carbon fiber M Performance door sills. It's gonna be there instead of there, and it's gonna go nicely with my factory M Performance raw carbon that I have in the vehicle. So I figured that would be a nice little touch. I've been wanting these for a long time, and finally got them. So I'm gonna set you guys down, and we're gonna quickly go over how to replace your door sills on your G20. All right, so first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some plastic trim tools like this, and you're gonna wanna basically scoop right underneath. And as you guys can see, we got clips all along the bottom. So, should be pretty easy to do. What I like to do, I like to get a little microfiber towel. I'll put it underneath the plastic just to make sure you don't scratch anything. You never want to use like a flathead or anything like that. So we're gonna have to get underneath this here. It may not be the easiest, but we'll find out which trim tool to use. This one has a little bit more of a sharper edge to it. This might work. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Boom. It's quick, man. Quick work. Looks good. As you can see, came off nice. And again, nothing wrong with it. I do love it. All the plastic clips are intact, but it's time for something different. I'll save mine and we'll switch back at some point, I'm sure. We're gonna pop these bad boys in, and you're gonna see how quick. That's it. Oh, there you go. M Performance trim is in. Got the carbon fiber. This is an OEM BMW product, and like I said, it's gonna match my M Performance logo there. And I also got the M Performance license plate frame just to tie it in. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. It's both sides just like that. In case you were wondering how it works, that's how. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys following me. I know it's been a while. I lost a little bit of subscribers, so that's on me. But again, I really appreciate it if you guys like and subscribe to this video. Hopefully I helped one of you guys, and I gave you guys a little bit of a update on my car. And we're getting close to the 20,000 mile mark on my second M340, and we'll do a nice little 20,000 mile update on, you know, everything that's been done to the car. And again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'll talk to you soon. We out.